In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subflows in Salesforce. Subflows can be a powerful tool to streamline your Salesforce processes, making them more efficient and easier to manage. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to integrate subflows into your Salesforce environment with ease. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Quick Settings. This is usually located at the top right corner, making it easy to access any of the features or configurations you might need. After opening Quick Settings, you'll see an option to open Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the Setup screen, there's a search bar on the left panel where you can type in Flows. This will help narrow down the extensive list of settings and configurations available in Salesforce, making it much easier to find what we're looking for. After typing in Flows, click on the Flows option that appears below. You'll be taken to a page dedicated to flows management. What you want to do here is click on the New Flow button. This is where the magic happens, creating new flows or modifying existing ones to better suit your business needs. For our purpose, we're going to choose Screen Flow, which allows for a more interactive user input during the flow execution. With the flow editor open, it's time to start building. You'll want to click the Add button to begin laying out the components of your flow. When prompted to choose a logic, think of what steps or actions you'd like to automate or sequence together. For example, that you could set conditions and triggers that guide the logic of your flow. After setting the initial logic, you'll click the Add button again to expand on the flow's complexity or add additional layers of logic. This second tier in your flow could capture more detailed conditions or specific actions that need to be carried out depending on user inputs or data states. Once that's set, click Add yet again, and this time, select Subflow. The Subflow component allows you to call another pre-existing flow from within your current one. This step is crucial for utilizing the modular capabilities of Salesforce flows, making your automation efforts more scalable and maintainable. Focus on Pick a Flow, any flow, where you can choose from available subflows that meet the needs of your current process. This capability not only saves time, but also allows for a consistent application of complex functions across multiple processes. After selecting the subflow, assign it a label name. A well-chosen label will make it easier for you and others to identify what this flow will accomplish, especially in larger environments with numerous flows. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. Type a flow label name to ensure you can quickly recognize and utilize this flow in the future. This small step plays a big role in keeping your Salesforce environment organized and efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated subflows into your Salesforce processes, enhancing both efficiency and functionality. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and make sure to check out the other videos for more insightful Salesforce tips and tricks.